Hi, I'm Mukesh Verma and I'm representing Group 5. So we choose Maggi as our product. So I'll start with introduction first. Maggi is an international brand of seasonings, instant soups and noodles that originated in Switzerland in the late 19th century. The Maggi company was acquired by Nestle in 1947. The background of the product. The company is originated in Switzerland in 1884 when Julius Maggi took over his father's mill. He quickly became a pioneer of industrial food production, aiming to improve the nutritional intake of work families. Maggi was the first to bring protein-rich legume meals to the market and followed up with the ready-made soup based on the legume meals in 1886. After that, Julius Maggi introduced boiled concentrates first in capsules then in cubes in 1897. Julius Maggi founded the company Maggi GmbH in Singen, Germany. In 1947, following several changes in ownership and corporate structure, Maggi Holding Company merged with the Nestle company to form Nestle Alimentina SA, currently known in its francophone home base in Nestle SA. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Turkashini. So I'm gonna give you the explanation of product. So as my group we choose Maggi product, so I'm gonna give you the product explanation. Maggi is the various product popular among different market. It's still one of the most favorite instant noodles brand and remain a market leading brand until now. Noodles are regularly with flour noodles. Like the rest of the Maggi range from Malaysia, they had a good texture and flavor. After cooking, is recommended the 3 minutes Maggi. Maggi have a big product. Some of the Maggi have a lot of products. As we all know, Maggi have a lot of products. Some of them is Maggi Pedas Gila, Maggi Pedas Gila and Maggi Hot Cup, Maggi Tom Yum and etc. They have a lot of products. So whenever we heard about Maggi, automatically the only one thing come into our mind is Maggi Hot Cup. It's really easy to do. It's only take 2 to 3 minutes to do the Maggi and we can have it easily. Whenever we are rushing or we don't have time for anything, we don't have time to take a proper lunch or proper dinner, so you can have Maggi with us, so easily to prepare it. So there are still lot of good products come from Maggi company. Example, Maggi seasoning, Maggi sauce. They still have Maggi chili sauce and Maggi tomato sauce. And currently I heard about Maggi pasta. I'm not sure because I not yet tried it. So but I have saw it in 99 market about the Maggi pasta. So we still have lot of product that made by Maggi company, and they are giving good products and good and they are famous product. As we all know, Maggi is so easy and it's really so easy for us. In another side, Maggi give us lot of side effects. Some of them is not some of them can't eat Maggi. It's cause headache, skin itches and lot of side effects. So we can eat Maggi, but we can't take every day, every lunch of dinner we can't take, like twice a week, like that. So that's it from myself and thank you so much.
Today I need to talk about Maggi product. That is among the innovation idea for taking Maggi product is that instant noodles and many idea got, and it can be easily get in anywhere and simply we can cook. If we go outside also we can take buy the Maggi and can easily cook. So in the Maggi product have a lot of innovation ideas. So I think if we go outside also we can buy the Maggi and cook for simple food and get anywhere. That's only.
Riding on the success of noodles, Nestle India tried to make extensions of the Maggi brand to a number of products like sauce, ketchups, pickles, soups, tastemakers and macaroni in the mid-1990s. Unfortunately, the macaroni and pickles didn't pick up as expected. The soups and sauce did somewhat fine, gathering considerable sales volume and have satisfactory business even today. Maggi noodles itself faced a bit of difficulty with respect to taste and nearly lost its position in the minds of Indian consumers in the late 1990s. When Nestle changed the formulation of its tastemaker, the ominous packet that came along with Maggi noodles, a major chunk of consumers were put off and sales started dropping. Also, Maggi's competitor Top Ramen took advantage of this situation and started a parallel aggressive campaign to eat into Maggi's market share. But the company quickly realized and went back into making the original formula coupled with a free sampling campaign. This helped Maggi to win back its lost consumers and push up its sales volume again.